Oh, you missed the Commodore, mate.
Oh, they're so beautiful. Come back. Let me own you. Anyways, we're at a GTR Festival. This is going to be a brilliant day. I get an hour here before I have to go to work, but Rachel's going to hang around and get some photos.
Hell yeah.
So if you want to see some photos, they'll be up on the snapshot page. We're going to clean you up. So Rachel's going to be getting photos. They'll be up on the snapshot page. I'll leave a link for that one down below. If there's a cinematic, it will be on this channel, because I'm sick of posting things on the other channel. It just doesn't get viewed. We get like 10 views on a video. Look at all that. That there is a whole lot of GTRs. Starting up everywhere and I don't know where to go. Let's just keep going around.
Keep on walking over the red road.
I like it. Something's about to happen. That's like that is mental. Rachel's gonna do some filming, some photos for me.
Yeah, no worries.
Cheerio.
Goodbye.